All right, guys, welcome to campaign optimization. And campaign optimization is really important because we know of a lot of people who simply set and forget their PPC campaigns. And we could tell you from experience, they are losing a lot of money on ad spend. And it's really not as hard as you may think. And inside of PPC Entourage, we have broken it down into 5 simple strategies, which I will share with you. So it is really important to optimize on a regular basis. First and foremost, it keeps your campaigns fresh. It keeps your statistics improved. So for example, your click-through rate percentage, if you don't optimize, that could start to decline. Your conversion percentage could start to decline. And Amazon takes all of these things into account. So weekly optimization is essential. And the most important thing is it's going to help cut down on some of your ad spend. So inside of the blueprint, you'll see that our strategy is to really expand on campaigns and keywords and get as many keywords out there as possible. In doing so, you may start to also expand on your ad spend, and you need to have a really good campaign optimization strategy to help to reduce some of that ad spend. Now, there are 3 levels of optimization, and it's very simple. You can either optimize the SKU, which means if a particular SKU or variation inside of one of your campaigns is performing poorly, you would simply pause that particular SKU. So that's the first level. The second level is optimizing by the keyword. You can optimize by the keyword in 2 different ways, and we're going to review that inside of the next couple of videos. So optimizing on a keyword level is like raising or lowering the bid of that keyword, or finding out the particular search terms that are doing poorly for that keyword. Then you can optimize on a search term level, which is what we recommend doing when you first get started, because you're going to find a lot of the different search terms that are resulting from your keywords that are costing you a lot of money. And again, inside of Entourage, it's very simple to identify those search terms and do the strategies that we recommend so that you're not wasting a lot of money on those search terms. So you're also going to find some of those search terms and also the individual words inside of the module. We have a module called Negative Word Finder that allows you to find individual words that are just not connecting well with your product. So now that you have negative words and negative search terms, we're going to show you what to do with those negative words and search terms so that not only can you optimize with those negative words and search terms, but you can use those words to your advantage and set up different campaigns.